This is Gopal Padala, Director of Technical Operations for Qualteics. So basically, Qualteics Data Machines is a data analytics platform with added intelligence. So the platform is built and it's agnostic to the domain agnostic, and we play with the data. So the data could be unstructured, structured, or it could be from the mobile applications, sensors, or servers, or any other SAP or database generally. We'll take the data, we'll standardize the data, and we'll analyze and we'll push it back to the customers onto the mobile applications or onto their servers or onto the web applications. So basically, it's a data analytics platform, and it's domain agnostics. The various services which we provided is the data analytics services we have. So we have a strong data science and database and a data engineering team. So we have it's a domain agnostic, and will provide services to it could be in healthcare, transportation, banking, or retail. We'll provide the visualizations and the insights of what exactly the customers are looking for. The platform is built behind niche technologies and advanced technologies. AI, subset of data science, NLP, deep learning, and machine learning. And we have AngularJS on the front end side, and we have a solid database, a mixture of databases. Generally, for the standardization, we use technologies for this platform. Impact of our product or the platform which we build generally will give you the insights, clear insights to the companies generally, so where they can set right or they deviate, they can concentrate on the core business generally, but we will provide you the right insights to your businesses generally, where they will be deviating in their services, and the platform will give you the right services or the revenue or the sales or the operations or any kind of things which are not being analyzed through the data. Will provide those insights through this data. Definitely, the platform is built for the freshers generally. The freshers are being encouraged onto this platform generally. The data science, mostly the data engineers, the data analysts, and we have the Angular, the most niche technologies like AngularJS or the Java or .NET, the full stack candidates. Generally, we encourage those candidates, and definitely we will provide the internship those whenever this is required. Thanks a lot.